Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So how do you usually practice to playing a keyboard?
I usually practice with my teacher in my home.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Najma and I'm from 8.1. Today I will tell a story. Most of us remember and cherish Cinderella as our most favorite characters for decades. There are many more fabulous and cherishing fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and cherishing imaginary characters live forever in everyone's heart. One such beautiful and attractive girl is Princess Rose. Princess Rose and Golden Bird is one of unforgettable fairy tale. The tale of Princess Rose is here. Once upon a time, there lived a princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the roses. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evenings. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song. Where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sounds, sing the beautiful hair of the princess. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make all people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. While people lived peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird. While people lived peacefully, Astaghfirullahaladzim. While people lived peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess, and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird starts singing the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. The princess heard about the nightmare, and she was so worried. She asked the bird what she should do to turn her hair red, and the bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, the hair turned beautiful red with usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep, and after hearing the lullaby, and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch cursed again and removed all rose flowers and the petals from the kingdom. So that was the story of the Princess Rose and her golden bird. Next, I will tell you more. So thanks for me, and once again, I'm Najma. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.